Hi friends, let's check the job vacancies in NAPCons. Now about consultancy services. www.napcons.com invites only online applications from Indian citizens only as per contract staff. The various posts as contract office, senior consultant office, that is place of posting is corporate office, that is place of posting is Delhi, New Delhi. For consultant civil engineer, New Delhi. Associate consultant HR, New Delhi. The place of posting for all these jobs is in New Delhi only. For the senior consultant accountants, key responsibilities verification of accounting records, cash books, checking all debit and credit entries, etc. Checking all voucher entries, checking all calculations related to salary, gratuity, TDS, deductions, etc. Filing of all tax returns, verification of compliance with the relevant labor laws, all payments relating to implementing agencies, assist in the finalization of accounts at the end of the year, monitoring periodical statements, verification of compliance in relation to the Companies Act, to undertake the performance analysis, scrutiny of the sundry debtors, creditors, etc., coordination with the ERP software, compliance of the AS and the Ind AS, that means accounting standards and Ind AS. This is I am reading only briefly. You can check later if whatever the details is mentioned. CAG audit, service tax, overall smooth and efficient running of the accounts, responsibility for the funds management, preparation of the budgets or forecast, year-end accounts, zonal regional officers at the NABARD other units. They are responsible coordination. Responsibility is the timely preparation of the monthly management of accounts. Any other work assigned NABARD from time to time. Educational qualification required for this is minimum 60% of the marks in the BCom and for the BCom student 60% marks. If he or she has completed CA, then that is also enough. Experience is 5 to 9 years. Candidates having the experience in the Ind AS compliant companies will be given preference. That means candidates who knows Ind AS will be given preference, and the experience in the Tally or ERP software, etc. Next post we will see that one. See the responsibilities. Educational qualification is BE or BTech in the civil engineering, with the minimum 60% marks. Post graduation in the civil engineering will be preferred. Minimum 5 years experience in the planning, designing, and the execution of the commercial projects. Working knowledge of STAAD, good command over English and MS Office suite, etc. Number 3 is associate consultant HR. Now let's check the key responsibilities. Terminations on the HR compliances, renewal of the contracts, etc. HR policies, systems, and the processes. Proficient in liaising with the businesses. Identifying training need cross levels, recruitment cycle, and the manpower planning, etc. Migration to new software. Absence management. Dead stock items checking. That means coordinate CSR activities, any other work assigned by NAPCons from time to time. Educational qualifications is here minimum 60% with the regular graduate, that is minimum 60% marks. No open degree considered, only regular graduate for this one, and company secretary or MBA or PGDM. Next, experiences. The candidate should have minimum 3 years of post-qualification experience handling in HR matters. Out of 3 years experience, at least, that is in the 3 years experience, you have at least 2 years experience in the HR sector. Knowledge of MS Office, Google Documents, Advanced Excel, etc. Good communication and the presentation skills. Next, for the associate consultant post, please check the key responsibilities. Now we'll seeing the educational qualifications is minimum 60% in the computer sciences, computer applications, IT, etc. with a minimum 55% or the equivalent grade in the industrial sector relation from the reputed management. Experience is 3 years including a minimum 1 year in administering large scale enterprise level, that is ERP. Minimum one specific domain, good knowledge in MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Remuneration, we will see that one. Now let's see the remuneration. For the senior consultant accounts, 1,75,000 per month. Consultant civil engineer, 87,000 per month. Associate consultant HR, 55,000. For IT, 55,000 per month. That is other faculty, other facilities. Let's check the other facilities. Lunch allowance is 2,000 per month. Newspaper 300. Mobile and internet rupees 1,500 per month. On the declaration on the reimbursement basis, and the health insurance for the self and the family is 15,000. Candidate will also be eligible for provident fund and gratuity. Also eligible for leave facilities. Next, see the age criteria for the senior consultant accounts. Below 55 years. For the consultant civil engineer, below 45 years. Associate consultant HR, check that one, that is below the ages. For the contract, now check the contract period. Initial contract is 1 year, which may be further extended if further extended to 3 years if the candidate performance is good. That is 1 year. If the candidate is working well, then job will be extended to another 3 years. That is 1 plus 3, 4. Shortlisted candidates issued call letters. How to apply? Check the links for applying. You click on that link. If the link is not working, please copy and paste the link in the Google and search the link. Whatever the job you want to apply, click on that forms. If you want to apply for the senior consultant accounts, click on the first one. Or if you want to apply for the second one, click on the second. Or if you want to apply for the third one, click on the third one. If you want to apply for IT job, click on the last one. In case the links don't work from here, you copy paste the links in the Google. Last date of receipt of the applications is 3rd September 2020. All the general information. Please subscribe to this channel. More updates and more latest new job updates or ICAI official announcements and any graduate. Please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you, friends.